Okay, today is February the 10th of 2010, and what you're about to see is one of the biggest blizzards that we've gotten here in the New York tri-state area. So I'm looking from the outside, and all of the cars are covered, as you can see, and I'm about to head out and find my car, which might be completely covered too. And here we go. Hi! Wow, it's a lot of snow, huh?
Yeah.
This is just a half time of what's supposed to fall. I think we're gonna get a lot more, about 12 inches, I think. Not sure. And it's pretty windy as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's see. Trying to find a car. Still see some people walking. Guess they're coming to the homes. This is the street I live in. That's completely covered. Some people have been shoveling since earlier on. Crazy, crazy. It's pretty though. What's interesting is that UPS still delivers even through the blizzard. It's good news. My skates never got on time though.
Do they have butane?
And I think I'm getting closer to where my car is. I hope I can see it. Thankfully I have my really good snow boots to cover me. I don't think we'll ever see any snow like this for a while, I hope. So, where are you? Car, where are you? It's falling a little bit wet now. Might be some good news. Because that means it won't stay for too long. I may have to use my remote control to figure out what it is. See here. Nope. It's nowhere near. Oh, I see. It's on the other street. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go to the other street. There we go. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Just have to clean it up a little bit and then come back to shovel the whole thing. Oh my goodness. It's just a lot of snow. Period. Not too bad. I'm happy. So I cleaned it up, but as you can see, the snow is like accumulating quite quickly. And chances are I have to come back, do it again, not to have too much work the next day. Dig him out. Yep. A lot of work. A lot of work.